Now we're going to do some analysis, and to get to the analysis you go under the data menu and render. So we will, for one, if we want to make a nice pretty plot to use in a report, we go to render plots, and in here it doesn't matter if devices are sampling at different rates. You can put in all 6 axes of acceleration. It's going to plot every single sample, and as you see there's 36 million samples there, so we don't necessarily want to do that, but we can plot the first the first 30 seconds or something. And over here you see that that view, and you can save this as a couple different file formats, so again include reports. And you can also export this data. No, you can't export data, but you can export it in that other way. You can change log scale, although I shouldn't have necessarily done that with the acceleration data. Okay, now let's look at render something a little more interesting, a power spectral density, or let's actually do let's go in here. And I'm going to render, we can do FFTs, power spectral densities, or spectrogram. I'll do the spectrogram for the Z-axis accelerometer. And here I can see this is on a truck when it was driving, so maybe in this period of time it was driving a little faster and slowed down, but you see how the frequency changes over time. And that is, again, your render tools. So data, render, you select your channels like you do when you're exporting data. You select your time range, whether you want to apply the mean removal or not, and then hit OK and generate the plot. And that's some of the data analysis in the lab. Thanks.